Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to create your very own custom sticker on Telegram. By the end, you'll not only know how to set it all up, but you'll also understand how to make your stickers look great, add the right touch of personality, and publish them so everyone in your group or channel can use them. If you've ever wanted to impress your friends or liven up your chats with something totally original, you're in the right place. So let's jump right in and get started. First, open up your Telegram group or channel where you want to add your sticker. Look for the little settings or menu button. You'll want to tap on that and then select Manage Channel. This is where you control all the behind-the-scenes features for your group or channel, kind of like being the director of your own little movie set. From here, you'll see an option called Reactions. Go ahead and tap on that. Think of this as your hub for adding a personal touch, whether it's new emojis or in our case today, your very own sticker. Now in the Reactions menu, tap on the option that says Create Your Own. This tells Telegram that you're about to make something new and unique. When you do this, you'll be prompted to select /NewPack. This is Telegram's way of starting the process of bundling your stickers together. It's just like naming a photo album on your phone, but for stickers. When Telegram asks, go ahead and give your sticker pack a name. You can call it anything you like, maybe something fun like Lisa's Laughing Cats or whatever suits the mood you want. Naming your pack isn't just for kicks, it helps you and others find it more easily later on. Next, it's time to actually add your sticker. Telegram will ask you to send your sticker file, here, where it matters. You want to make sure your image is in PNG or WEBP format, has a transparent background, and fits into a 512 by 512 pixel square. What does that mean? Well, transparent backgrounds make your sticker blend seamlessly into any chat, and the 512 x 512 size keeps things crisp without getting too big. If one of the sides is exactly 512 pixels and the other is smaller, that's totally fine, just make sure you're inside those limits. If you've never resized an image before, don't sweat it. There are tons of free online tools for this, and once you get the hang of it, it's a breeze. Once you've uploaded your sticker, Telegram will ask you for an emoji that matches your sticker's mood. Just pick the one that fits best. For example, if your sticker is a smiling cat, you might choose the classic grinning cat face. This helps users quickly find the sticker based on the vibe they're going for, and it makes your sticker pack even more fun to use. Now that you've paired your sticker with an emoji, the next step is to send the command Publish. This tells Telegram that you're done adding stickers and that you're ready for your pack to go live. After that, you'll see an option to add an icon for your sticker pack, but if you want to skip this for now, just type Skip. You can always come back and jazz up your pack icon later if you want. And just like that, your sticker pack is good to go. It's now available for anyone in your group or channel to use. Keep in mind, this was just a simple demo to show you the basics, but there's a lot you can do to personalize and expand your sticker packs as you get more creative. Don't be afraid to experiment, make it your own, make it memorable, and most importantly, have fun with it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below, and if you have any questions or stuck on a step, drop a comment. I always love hearing from you and I'll do my best to help out. If you want to see more hands-on Telegram tutorials or tips for making your chats even more awesome, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.